Hey guys, Pinoy Toy Geek,
And this is Red 13.
back again with another video.
Alright everybody, today we are talking about DC Comics superheroes. It's set number 76012. It's Batman the Riddler Chase. 304 pieces. As you can see, you get the Flash, you get Batman, and Riddler. Looking at the back of the box, we get to see the Batmobile, and we get to see Riddler's ride, and also the Flash doing his thing. Riddler is stealing some money, Batman's shooting some missiles. So, let's go ahead and open it up and check it out.
Are you really trying to outrun me with a car? Riddle me this, Batman. What has legs, wings, and no brain? The Riddler's dragster comes with a big engine, flames, huge rear wheels, money bags, and a detachable bomb. However, if the Flash gets too close, you could always leave a slippery banana trap. You'll have plenty more time to come up with riddles in Blackgate, Riddler. The Riddler has robbed Gotham City Bank and is getting away with its ultra-fast dragster. Pursue him with Batman and his sleek new Batmobile, but watch out for the bombs being dropped by the dragster. If the Riddler manages to get away, call in help from the Flash, the fastest man alive. Will he arrive in time to save the day? Only you can decide. The Batmobile features a detachable cockpit and hidden flick missiles. What's green, valuable, and all mine? The only riddle to me is why you're called the fastest man alive. I just gotta catch my breath, Batman. Bon voyage, Flash. What's this? Are my riddles hurting your brain, Batman? Well, now your ride's riddled with holes. It doesn't take a genius to maneuver around a banana. Take this, Riddler.
So what do you think of this set? Don't forget to leave a comment.
And remember to hit subscribe to catch every episode of Minifigure Mania Daily.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek.
And this is Red 13, and we'll see you next time.